Hello everyone, welcome to the new video for testing Walt Disney website. In this video, I'm going to tell you how performance testing could be performed on this website and how we can check the number of users which are allowed per second, or say like how many users could actually visit this site simultaneously. So for that purpose, we're going to use JMeters. JMeter is a tool. It is a performance measuring tool. So in this JMeter, you can see the screen, right? So in JMeter, we have a test plan. So when you open JMeter, it's going to show you like this. Then you have to just go and add a thread group into it. So with the help of thread group, we can control how many users would be there, and what would be the number of seconds. For example, say I want to say that site should have 10 users acting at the same time, but they are like 1 second apart, and that's I want to check that. What if the 10 users go one by one after just 1 second each? So if you want to test this one, then we just have to add a new, say, listener for it. So I'm gonna add summary report as well as result tree for it, so that we can get the data. So in summary report and the result tree, we'll have all the data which we're gonna evaluate our website. So I'm gonna add an HTTP request. Okay, let me search for it. So we have to search for the HTTP request. In the sampler, we have HTTP request. Okay, so in HTTP request, we have to provide the server name or the IP. So I'm going to provide the URL of the website. Okay, so I'm just copying it and pasting it here. I've provided the URL of the website. Then if you want to provide the port number, if it is there mentioned over there. Otherwise, you can just tell the client, then choose the implementation with the latest one. And if the website is HTTPS, then you can just tell them that yeah, the website is HTTPS or not. So for the website, we have to just provide the name of that the website, not the HTTP and everything. Over here we have to provide if it is an HTTPS, because it is an HTTPS website, it is a secure website. So I'm gonna include it over here. Now after that, okay, so we have this website HTTP request is gonna go, and let's see how when the number of users, 10 users, access this website with an interval of 1 second each, what's gonna happen. So I'm gonna run this test case. Okay, let's save it first because I haven't saved it. That's why it's showing me the warning. I have saved it. So I run the test case. Let me see what the result of the test case is. Okay, so okay, so can you see that for 10 people acting on this website at the same time, there is no error at all. Okay, so website is working definitely fine when there are like 10 people working on it. And like, so you can say that for each of these 10 people, we have the request that we sent and what the response we got generated from the URL or from the disneyworld.com. Okay, let's increase the number of people from 10 to say like 100 at a time, and then again go and try to run it. But before that, I just want to clear it if I could. Let me check if I can clear it. Okay, let's leave it like, okay, we can just run it. So when I run it for 100 people, okay, so error still remains 0% and the result is still the positive. Oh, that's cool, right? Isn't it cool? Okay, now let's check it for 1,000 people. I just want to check when the website will fail. Okay. No, the website looks pretty good. So idea, right? That or the web page fails for the number of users, then there would be some error percentage shown over here. And as you can see that it is still calculating it, because like number of users are like 1,000, and it's gonna take a while for it because it's running all the samples right now. But yeah, so in this way we can check all the pages and we can verify. Look, it is failing for some of them. Can you see? The connection is getting refused after a while. Okay, so yeah, it started failing for some of them. So we can like go through the details of these with the help of this exception tree, the tree which we got in the exception. and we can just evaluate it and we can raise issues about it. So that's how we can do performance testing on a website like Disney or any other websites. I guess that's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening to me. Okay, bye bye.